So, I heard it's your birthday and I cannot be with you right now, pero may mga nagpadala ng mensahe para sa'yo to greet you on your big and special day.
Hi guys, here are 5 reasons to greet Mark a happy birthday.
Happy birthday po Sir Mark Leo. Thank you po for being such an amazing mentor in scouting and also for inspiring me in so many ways. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more success in life. Again sir, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. Yo, Kuya Mark Leo, Sir Mark Leo, happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya Mark. Thank you for all throughout the different years that you've guided and advised and was there for different generations of Scout representatives. Maraming salamat sa mga kwentuhan, mga advice na sinishare mo sa aming mga Scout representatives, and I hope you live long enough to guide even more Scouts and Scout representatives. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng bagay na naituro mo na sa amin, and hopefully matupad mo rin yung mga dreams mo sa buhay. You're truly an outstanding Scout, Kuya Mark Leo, and from the NCR on behalf of the National Capital Region, we gladly and we happily greet you a happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo. See you soon, Kuya Mark Leo.
Hi Kuya Mark Leo, happy birthday. I just wish you a very happy 30th birthday. Sana i-enjoy mo yung pagiging trentahin mo. Pero seriously, I'm very thankful for the lessons, the guidance, the advices, and the friendship na nahanap ko with you, with meeting you and other yeah. You get the point. Pero yun, happy birthday. I wish you all the best, more birthdays to come. And thank you.
Maligayang pagbati sa iyo, Boss Mark Leo. Thank you for being the adult, the designated adult for the ASIM. And hopefully you enjoy your special day, and hopefully we can see you soon. Bye, sir.
Happy birthday sa pinakagalang tao na kilala ko. Hindi ko alam kung pumapasok ka pa ba, pero nakikita naman kita sa school, kaya pumapasok ka naman. So, happy birthday, Mark. Alam mo na yon.
Hi, Mark.
Hello, Sir Leo.
Happy birthday, Mark.
Happy birthday, Sir Leo.
Alam kong alam mo na to, kaya yun lang. Happy birthday from me and
Alam mo yan. Yun lang, happy birthday, Sir Leo.
bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mark! This is Island Girl Yasha, and this is Ara Alonzo. Anong handa mo? Makain ka naman? Yes, baka naman. Ayan, enjoy your birthday. Hope to see you soon.
Hi Mark, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Alam mo yon na isa ka sa mga taong hinahangaan ko. Isa ka sa mga taong napaka-importante or may magandang naiambag sa scouting dito sa Taguig. Maraming salamat for sharing all your knowledge and experiences na kung saan mas marami pang mga kabataan sa scouting sa Taguig ang nai-inspire mo. Dalangin ko sana makapaghanap ka na ng love of your life para naman palagi kang inspired. Thank you so much again. Happy birthday, Mark.
Happy birthday, Mark Leo!
Happy birthday, Tito Mark!
Sana maging pilot ka na so you can fly together with my Marky.
And you.
Yeah, and wish you all the best in life, in your scouting journey, as well as in your academic life. No? Always remember that I'm always here for you and the rest of our scouting family. Mabuhay and congratulations. Happy birthday.